on the spinal cord. ठीक है. So this spinal cord is part of which system of the body? नर्वस सिस्टम. नर्वस सिस्टम में कौन सा कितने होते हैं? सेंट्रल नर्वस सिस्टम होता है, एएनएस होता है, ऑटोनॉमिक नर्वस सिस्टम एंड ऑटोनॉमस नर्वस सिस्टम एंड द पीएनएस, पेरिफेरल नर्वस सिस्टम. यस, गुड. अच्छा चलो, अभी इसमें हो गया. अभी तीन में से किसका पार्ट है अमंग द सीएनएस? अभी तुमने बताया सेंट्रल नर्वस सिस्टम में इसका पार्ट है. अभी सेंट्रल नर्वस सिस्टम में भी कोई डिवीजन होता है. ठीक है, तो अपर इंट्राक्रेनियल एंड द लोअर is the cylindrical part. So this is the lower cylindrical part of the central nervous system. So you can see here all this. So this is the lower cylindrical part of the central nervous system. It is upper end is starting from the medulla oblongata. Okay, here, and the lower end. Medulla oblongata means lower end up to from the foramen magnum. And the lower end you can see this is the lower end. पूरा स्पाइनल कॉर्ड है कवर्ड बाय द मेनिंजेस एंड दिस इज द लोअर एंड ऑफ द स्पाइनल कॉर्ड. अभी नीचे भी जा रहा है. दीज आर द नर्व फाइबर्स कमिंग दैट इज द स्पाइनल नर्व, बट एग्जैक्ट स्पाइनल कॉर्ड इज एंडिंग हियर. ओके, पूरा सिलिंड्रिकल होके बाद में जो नीचे वाला पार्ट है दिस इज द कोनिकल शेप. so this conical shape is what? This is known as the conus medullaris. ओके, कोनस मतलब कोन शेप, इसलिए इसका नाम क्या पड़ेगा? कोनस मेडुलरिस. तो लोअर पार्ट और लोअर एंड ऑफ द स्पाइनल कॉर्ड इज tapering in the form of the cone known as the conus medullaris. And this lower end is at the level of lower border of the L1 vertebra or upper border of the L2 vertebra. Okay, lumbar one और first lumbar और second lumbar vertebra. इसके नीचे नहीं रहता. What is the length of the spinal cord? The length of the whole spinal cord is 45 centimeter. ठीक है. And what is the length of the vertebral column? It is about 65 centimeter. समझ में? So that is the reason this lower end of the spinal cord is not reaching up to the lower end of the or whole length of the vertebral column. So it is only present in upper 2/3 of the vertebral column. The lower 1/3 is not, but lower 1/3 is having this much part of the spinal cord, right? Okay, so first we will see what are the coverings of all this spinal cord. So it is covered by meninges, ठीक है, in the vertebral column. So what are the layers of the meninges from outer to inner? These are the dura mater. So I will show you separately. This is the meninges. So meninges नहीं होगा ना? I can separate it. So you can see this is meningeal layer. It is cut open here. Meningeal layer. So it is having the dura mater and arachnoid matter. Outer is the dura, inner is the arachnoid matter, and innermost, which is just going nearby, means on the surface. Okay, inner and outer, all the sulcus, groove, fissure of the brain, and also the spinal cord, that is known as the innermost layer, is the pia mater. So what are the spaces in between these all the meningeal layer? Up outer to the dura mater, it is the epidural. Between the subarachnoid and dura mater, it is the subdural space. Between the pia mater and the arachnoid mater, subarachnoid space containing CSF fluid. Okay, and pia mater is attached on the surfaces of the neural tissue. So before going to the specific spinal cord, again the pia mater here on the spinal cord is having the specific modification. वाला मॉडिफिकेशन को तुमको दिखाते हैं यहाँ पे. अपना लोअर एंड पे क्या था? कोनस मेडुलरिस. कोनस मेडुलरिस, अगर यू कैन सी, मैंने इसको लेफ्ट साइड में इंडिकेट करके बताया था, अभी राइट साइड में हम बता रहे हैं. तो दिस इज द कोनस मेडुलरिस. यू कैन सी कोनस मेडुलरिस. तो यहाँ पे खत्म नहीं हो रहा है, तुमने बोला यहाँ पे सर खत्म हो जाता है स्पाइनल कॉर्ड, खत्म नहीं हो रहा, बट इट इज एक्सटेंडिंग मोर एंड मोर डाउनवर्ड. यू कैन सी दिस स्ट्रक्चर वन मेडुलरी है, और ये क्या हो रहा है एक्सटेंड. नो फाइबर यहाँ पे दिख रहे हैं, बंच ऑफ नो फाइबर लाइक द टेल ऑफ द हॉर्स. तो ये वैसे ही दिखा कुछ, बट दिस इज नॉट न्यूरल टिश्यू एक्चुअली. जो न्यूरल टिश्यू तुम्हारा स्पाइनल कॉर्ड पे यहाँ पे खत्म हो गया है. अब ये जो एक्सटेंड हो रहा है ना, दिस इज एक्सटेंशन ऑफ द पायामेटर, and this extension of the pyometer below the conus medullaris, beyond the conus medullaris, is known as the terminal phylum. फाइलम. ओके, तो तुमने टेक्स्ट बुक में या फिर लेक्चर में देख लिया होगा टर्मिनल फाइलम में वर्ड. दिस इज द टर्मिनल फाइलम. मतलब तुम्हारा वर्टिकल कॉलम में ऐसा है बॉडी में. ओके, दिस वन. तो दिस इज द टर्मिनल फाइलम विच इज सराउंडेड बाय द बंच ऑफ द नो फाइबर. तो अभी कैसा हमने इसको सेपरेट करके रखा हुआ है, अदरवाइज इन बिटवीन ऐसा तुमको ओरिजिनल ऐसा नहीं दिखेगा. इट विल बी जस्ट सेपरेटेड बाय ऑल द फाइबर्स इन बिटवीन देम. ओके, बट ये हमने बाहर निकाल कर रखा. So this terminal phylum is extending downward in the vertebral column. Lower one third, it is up to only upper two third of the vertebral column, or lower one third is only this remaining spinal nerves and this along with this terminal phylum. So this terminal phylum is going in the all the lumbar part of the vertebral column, then sacral part, and it is coming out of the sacral hiatus. The lower end of the vertebral foramen is known as sacral hiatus on the posterior surface of the sacrum, and is attached to the first segment of the coccygeal bone. Oh, okay, coccygeal vertebra. तो वहां पे जाके उसके पेरियोस्टम से अटैच हो जाता है, एकदम नीचे जाएंगे तो. ठीक है, अब यहाँ पे वर्टिबल कॉलम नहीं है, ऑलरेडी इट हैज बीन टेकन आउट. So but in intact person it is on the coccygeal bone. Okay, so this is the terminal phylum. ये होगा तो एक मॉडिफिकेशन. दूसरा मॉडिफिकेशन है इसमें. The other modification is that on the lateral aspect of all this length of this spinal cord, this pyometer is, I can show you, in between the spinal nerves. Okay, now you know what is the spinal nerve. Spinal nerves are the formed by the ventral and dorsal root, the segment that coming out of that. Actually, it has only one specimen, and so been not proper, but I will show you. Very okay. When we hold it like this, whole spinal cord forward, तो pyometer इसके ऊपर रहता है. So you can see here, तुमको डेंट दिख रहा है यहाँ पे, ये वाला डेंट, ये डेंट दिख रहा है. डेंट में जैसा प्रोजेक्शन है ट्रायंगुलर. ये देखो थोड़ा आ गया, यहाँ पे आ गया, दिस वन. ओके, means there are the series of the projection on the lateral aspect of the spinal cord, or the projection of the pyometer in between the spinal nerves, between the suspension spinal cord, spinal nerve, and that extension is triangular in shape. Okay, the base is attached to the over the surface of the spinal cord, and the apex is going laterally on either side, right and the left, and that triangular projection of that pyometer is piercing the arachnoid matter and going into the subdural space. Okay, then again, and this attached to the inner layer of the dura mater. Means pyometer is attached to the dura mater after piercing the arachnoid matter, and that projection, the series of the projection of the pyometer is known as the, what is that known as the ligamentum denticulata. Okay, ऐसा पूछ सकते हैं, what is the ligamentum denticulata. तुम्हारे जो क्लिनिकल क्वेश्चन रहते हैं प्रैक्टिकल में, स्पॉटिंग में, तो वी कैन आस्क व्हाट इज द क्या बोला मैंने, दैट इज द ligamentum denticulata. तो तुमको क्या लिखना है, द ligamentum denticulata is the tooth-like or the triangular projection of the pyometer on the lateral aspect of the spinal cord, and it pierces the, or it crosses the arachnoid matter and attached to the inner surface of the dura mater. Why it is attached? Because it gives the spinal cord, which is freely floating in the vertebral column with attachment to the or anchoring of the spinal cord to the dura mater, because dura mater is very close to the periosteums of the vertebral foramen or vertebral canal. Okay, so this is giving the anchoring to all this, so that it should not get damaged or okay. So that is the ligamentum denticulata, and anterior aspect of this spinal cord is having the fissure. Okay, दिख रहा है fissure, that is known as the anterior median fissure. Okay, and posteriorly it is having the posterior median sulcus. There, the posterior median sulcus is there. So anterior median fissure and posterior median sulcus. So anterior median fissure के जो हमारा है pyramids है, it is thickened here. Okay, under this arachnoid matter it is thickened. I can show ये देखो तुमको ऐसा line है आगे, तो मुझे ब्रश से दिखाना चाहिए, otherwise you will make habit. तो देखा लाइन है तुमको क्लियर, इसमें पकड़ना पड़ेगा, तो आई विल जस्ट होल्ड लाइन, देखिए दिस वन अलग से सेपरेट हो रहा है, कैन यू सी? तो दिस इज द थिकनिंग ऑफ द pyometer anteriorly. अरे देखो इधर मैं रोक के रखता हूँ, राइट हैंड में, यस. तो दैट इज द लीनियर स्प्लेंड. कोई पूछता नहीं है, बट लीनियर स्प्लेंड. So this is the linear. ये देखो practically ये, okay, along the anterior median fissure of the spinal cord. I will just tell you on the posterior aspect along the posterior median sulcus. Okay, the pyometer is thickened and sending the projection, the vertical projection, which is attached to the arachnoid matter, and that is known as the subarachnoid septum. Okay, मतलब divide करता है right and left subarachnoid space को. So that is the subarachnoid septum on the posterior side. So these are the modification of the pyometer. Now spinal cord, I already told you that it is 45 centimeter. Okay, तो अभी कैसा है 45 सेंटीमीटर है, लेकिन इसके जो स्पाइनल नर्व्स है they are all coming out of all the intervertebral foramen. तो intervertebral foramen कहाँ तक जाता है? sacrum तक जाता है. ओके, बट इसका जो लोअर एंड है दैट इज द कोनस मेडुलरिस. अभी ये मत बोलना कि कोनस मेडुलरिस क्या है. ओके, तो जस्ट बाद में जाके फिर से पढ़ लेना व्हाट इज द कोनस मेडुलरिस. तो दिस कोनस मेडुलरिस इज लोअर एंड इज अप टू L1 L2, लोअर पार्ट ऑफ द L1 और अपर पार्ट ऑफ द L2. तो बियॉन्ड वाले स्पाइनल क्या रहते हैं? This one, they are freely going without the spinal cord along with them. Okay, so what happens? All these spinal nerves which are beyond the L2 vertebra, intervertebral foramen, so they are coming from the higher part of vertebral level. So these spinal nerves below the L2 are forming a bunch of the nerve fibers. Okay, like the tail of the horse. अब याद होगा तो मैंने पिछले अभी टाइम में थोड़ा मिनट पहले बोला था, दिस इज द bunch of the horse, bunch of the nerve known as the tail of the horse, therefore it is known as the cauda equina. ऑप्शन में टर्मिनल फाइलम क्या है? इट इज द pyometer extension from the lower end of the conus medullaris और spinal cord, और इसके सराउंडिंग जो फाइबर्स है स्पाइनल का, दैट इज cauda equina below the end of the beyond the end of the spinal cord, all this cauda equina, and they are coming out of their corresponding intervertebral foramen. ठीक है, जो L3 सेगमेंट स्पाइनल नर्व है दैट इज कम आउट ऑफ द थर्ड lumbar intervertebral foramen. Okay, got it? So this is the cauda equina. So how the spinal nerves are formed? So spinal nerves are formed by the, how are they formed? By the, on each side of the spinal cord there are the nerve rootlets. Okay, there is a series of the nerve rootlets. You can see. अच्छा, तुमको स्पेसिफिक नहीं दिखेगा यहाँ पे. ये पूरा एक सेगमेंट है thoracic T12 का, वहां से ऐसा प्रॉपर एक नर्व पूरी बाहर आ रही है, वेंट्रल रूट, डॉर्सल रूट और ज्वाइन होकर स्पाइन होगा. नो, देयर आर द सीक्वेंस, देयर आर द सीरीज ऑफ कंटिन्यूअस सीरीज ऑफ दिस एक्चुअली दिस स्पाइनल नर्व रूटलेट, एंड दे आर ज्वाइनिंग टू फॉर्म द वेंट्रल एंड द डॉर्सल root, and this both the roots are joining to form the spinal nerve, and again this spinal nerve after coming out of the intervertebral foramen are dividing into the anterior primary ramus and the posterior primary ramus. समझ में आया? Okay. In between them there is the ligamentum denticulata. Okay. Again, you can see on the anterior side, this is linear pendens. Okay, line दिख रही एकदम clear. अभी थोड़ा मैंने light रखा हुआ इस पे. That is linear pendens. And along the spinal cord, there are two expanded portions, the upper expansion and the lower expansion. So the upper expansion, that is around the between the cervical cervicothoracic junction, and the lower expansion is along the lumbosacral region. So cervical expansion is for the forming the cervical plexus and the to supply the extra muscles, okay, extra muscular system of the upper limb. और जो लोअर वाला है, this lumbar expansion, so that is for the extra muscular supply of the lower limb. That is the lumbosacral plexus, lumbar plexus and lumbosacral plexus from here. जैसे हमने femoral दिखा था, okay, sciatic nerve दिखा था, तो all these are coming from this lumbosacral plexus, okay. तो वो एक्स्ट्रा लिम्ब का मसल सप्लाई करते हैं जहाँ पे एक्स्ट्रा न्यूरल टिश्यू रहते हैं. तो देयरफॉर दीज आर द नोन एज द एक्सपांशन, द लोअर एक्सपांशन एंड द अपर एक्सपांशन हियर. नाउ वी विल सी. Okay, so depending on that, when we go from above downward, why it is 45 centimeter only, and why the vertebral column is more than that, therefore the caudate one is formed. Because at birth, okay, these are at the same level, means the spinal cord is almost same length of the vertebral column initially, but when they grow, okay, the child is growing, then the vertebral column is growing more and more as compared to the spinal cord. Means there is a differential growth between the spinal cord and the vertebral column. Therefore, spinal cord ऊपर रह जाता है और vertebral column बहुत आगे निकल जाता है. Got it? So that is the reason why the intervertebral foramen at different level compared to the exit of the spinal from the spinal cord. Now we'll see this is cross section of the spinal cord. You can see here if I get close to the camera. So not technically covered, it has been separate only there. Just now you have seen the cross section. The cross section of the spinal cord. So what is there? And the gray matter. Okay, white matter and gray matter. So centrally gray matter रहेगा and surrounded by the white matter. So gray matter is S-shaped. Okay, the two parallel limbs are anteroposteriorly and connected by the horizontal with the central canal in center containing the CSF, and the anterior and these limbs are known as the anterior and the posterior horn on the gray matter. तो anterior horn से क्या निकलता है? Ventral root. और posterior horn में क्या आता है? The dorsal root of the spinal nerve. And the white matters are containing all the tracts, ascending and descending tracts in the white matter. Got it? Okay, but in the thoracic region, okay, all the 12 thoracic L1 spinal segment are containing the extra horns. Anterior posterior horn of the gray matter के अलावा उसमें extra horns रहता है, lateral, that is known as the lateral horn, and also in the sacral region. So these horns are they present because they are having in the thoracic region. The thoracic lateral horns are containing the extra nerves for the presympathetic ganglion or presympathetic neuron, and in the sacral region there are the preganglionic. In the upper region, in the thoracic region, the lateral horns are containing the preganglionic neuron of the sympathetic nervous system, and the sacral region having the lateral horn, okay, sacral spinal segment, that is S2, 3, 4 level, are having the lateral horn for the preganglionic neuron for the parasympathetic fibers. Okay, sacral plexus are giving the parasympathetic fiber apart from the vagus nerve. Okay, so therefore the lateral horns are present. So the lateral horns are nothing but they are having the preganglionic neurons on the autonomic nervous system. Sympathetic रहेगा thoracic में और parasympathetic रहेगा sacral area में, sacral spinal segment में. Got it? So how many spinal nerves are there actually? Total? There are how many spinal nerves? How many pairs? 21 pairs. Okay. Or the ligamentum dentocleta is having 21 pairs in between them. Okay. And now there are the 31 pairs. Right. Good. Very good. Okay. So got it. So this was all about the spinal cord. So, and then we will go for the medulla oblongata. Okay. तो मैं थोड़ा दिखा देता हूँ. This is the cerebellum. Okay. The brainstem at the smooth. And this is the pons and this is the medulla oblongata. So from lower end of the medulla oblongata, the spinal cord is coming, the cervical part of the spinal, cervical segment of the spinal cord. Okay. Got it?